Yes. Okay, let us move through the first question. What has been given in the first question? Yes, everyone. So how would we do the
Yes,
first
sir.
question? That is the question, right? Okay. So you have to get the tone here. Okay. Were you able to identify the tone? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you all get this answer correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay.
No,
Tulsi and
sir,
Lavanya?
mine was wrong.
Okay. Let us see this. When I ask people to name 3 recently implemented technologies that most impact our world, they usually propose. Now, usually, why do we use that word? Hmm? Okay. Generally, they propose. Okay. There is no meaning here, right? Okay. He's talking about 3 innovations. All 3 were unplanned. Now, other 3, if I say that, okay, unplanned, astonishing. What do we mean by astonishing? I would see the first words now. Okay, astonishing. What do we mean by astonishing? Let me know.
Like shocking in a good way, sort of.
Yes. Okay. Unplanned and astonishing. I would say that, okay, unplanned and astonishing go hand in hand, right? And superb upon their discovery. I mean, superb upon their discovery. Does it seem correct? Let me know. Or fulfilling or unappreciated. This is absolutely wrong. Unappreciated is something that you can easily eliminate. I hope you can concur with me here.
Yes, sir.
Unappreciated, something cannot be unappreciated upon its discovery, right? Okay, unappreciated
Yes.
upon their discovery. It seems that, and see, even if it is unappreciated at its discovery, right? I would say that, okay, it is unappreciated. Is it unappreciated well after this time? Then how would this be possible that people are naming it as most impact, having most impact in the world? Third is gone, absolutely. Everyone, let me know.
Yes.
Okay, surprising. I mean, unplanned, surprising, and fulfilling, unfulfilling. Fulfilling and unfulfilling cannot come, right? Remained, this and this should either be synonyms or same words. Done. Fifth
Hmm.
gone.
Yes.
Astonishing, superb, superb, astonishing, amazing, amazing. Aren't these synonyms? Superb and amazing,
Yes.
right? Astonishing. Let us see. Whenever we see that all 3 were unplanned, okay, and remain dash well after their initial used. Superb upon their discovery. How does it make sense?
Superb
Unplanned,
doesn't make sense.
astonishing, and superb upon the discovery. Hmm?
Superb doesn't make sense.
Okay, astonishing and superb doesn't they? I mean, aren't they synonyms? Let me know.
Ah, you can, yes, we can say there's nouns.
Right? Gone.
Yes.
Okay, astonishing, amazing, amazing. They are also synonyms.
Yes.
Gone. Now, if we say that they were amazing and shocking, let me know.
Continue shockingly well. Yes.
Right? Amazing and shocking. Are they synonyms?
Mhm.
Let me know. Let me know. Amazing and shocking.
No, no, they are not
No. Right?
synonyms.
Okay. And they remain shocking. 100% does what the intent of the author asks for. Let me know.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how this needs to be done. Any questions here?
Okay.
If you have any
No,
problem with my interpretation?
no, sir.
Okay. Fine. Let us move ahead. Now, what are we coming to do now? First one is done. Okay. Amazing, shocking, and shocking. Let us move ahead. Remember, in XAT, elimination would do half of your work. Did you eliminate in each and every question? Ask yourself that. Done. Let us move to the next one. Your answers, please. Your answers, please. Lavanya has said that. Okay. 4.5. Your answers, please. Anyone who would like to give in his answer, I would just discuss it if you are not willing to. Okay. Now, the problem is that in these sentences, can you be 100% sure? I would say yes. But in some sentences. Are you all with me till now?
Yes.
Okay. I hope all of you agree with me here, right? Okay. Lavanya has given me the answer. Go to Lavanya. Okay. Now, which options, what are they asking me? Grammatically correct. I would find which options are 100% wrong. Okay, first option, so that I can eliminate one option between these, right? Let us see. Have you any clothes to dispose of, right? Dispose of, I had thought that, okay, this should be off, right? Okay, now I'm not 100% sure, so I would move to the next sentence. I saw an unpleasant and a pleasant dream last night. I saw a pleasant dream last night. But that is good. Okay, that is good. Second one is good to go with. Okay, that is grammatically correct. Okay, now I have done it many a time safely. I do not know whether many a time safely would be correct, because many a times mean most often, right? Okay, I have done it most often safely, or often safely, right? Okay, it might be correct. Students struggle to cope up. Why I'm not saying that it might not be correct? Because I am not 100% sure of this idiomatic use. Okay, because they have a certain form. For example, dispose of, if it is dispose of, I cannot change it to dispose of, right? So let us move ahead. Till now I am 100% sure about two. Students struggle to cope up with academic pressure. Okay, cope up with academic pressure. Now what does this sentence mean? Students struggle to cope up with academic pressure. Do you know what it means? I find the meaning of this: students struggle to cope up with academic pressure. Now you would say, you would understand that, okay, with academic pressure is something, okay, is something that they are trying to cope up with, right? Okay, or it might mean that, okay, academic pressure, with academic pressure they are trying to cope up with some other thing. Let me know. Okay, so this is a modifier error that we are seeing here. Students struggle to cope up. Okay, I would have used due to academic pressure. With academic pressure, I mean, what are they trying to say? Academic pressure. Okay, with academic pressures, even with the help of academic pressures, they are not able to cope up. Okay, or with academic pressures, they are not cope up with this due to this. What do they mean? Okay, so what you have to do is just go to the chat GPT and see, okay, what the errors of modifiers are, and try to understand this thing. Okay, because if I take it here, it would take a lot of time. Okay, there are dangling modifiers, there are misplaced modifiers. Okay, then there is a third type of modifier error that you have to study in depth. Okay, I hope you have understood what I wanted to tell here. Okay, we just do not need to see the grammatical parts, we also need need to see what meaning they are conveying. Okay, that is gone. You need not give negative feedback to your employees. Okay, that this is absolutely correct. Can you find any error here? Negative feedback to, yes, we use to your employees. Okay, you need not give. Okay, need not give. My friend is good at physical. Now how many of you understand the use of at, good at? There are two use of good. Okay, with at and good in. So good in, someone is good in a subject. Place a subject here, right? This is a repeated question in many papers. Okay, Snap also had given this. Good at playing football, you can use skill here. So my purpose was to find some sentences in which I can find, okay, this is really correct. Now sixth is 100% correct, and which one is correct? Fifth is 100% correct. Let us see where I can find 5 and 6. Okay, where I can find 5 and 6. Now, okay, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Okay, I had 2 also in my mind. I cannot find 6 with 5 and 6 with 2. So I would let 2 go. I said that I am not 100% correct in it every time. Now, am I at the juncture where I can see that, okay, I can get correct? Okay, let us see fourth and first. Have you any clothes to dispose of? Students struggle to cope up with academic pressure. I had understood that there is a modifier error. You need to know modifiers here to get this. Okay, and hence I would go with fifth one, 156. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope my answer is correct. Hello? Hmm? Okay, oh yeah, I forgot this. Many a times means occasionally. Right? Done? So this is the way you do these questions. Okay, this is not easy. If you do not understand anything and are having any doubts about anything, leave this question. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is this preposition? Do you understand the meaning of preposition, everyone? Okay, they are called placements or determiners in English. Now, the problem with this is that even the experienced teacher get wrong in this, right? Even the experienced teachers get wrong in this. That I did 2021. I thought 21. Okay, Sahitya. Sahitya is gone. Okay. The manager was sitting at the desk. Is it correct? 100%. We use it daily. Let me know. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us say first is correct. This is gone. This is gone. Done. 100% incorrect. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Now we do not need to see 3, 4. We just need to see 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Okay. My work is superior to yours. Now, several of you would have a thought about superior than or superior to. Can you think of any sentence where you might have used superior or seen superior? Is it correct or not? How many of you say that it is correct? Raise your hands. Okay, Lavanya says that it is correct. Yeah, others? Others?
No.
Not correct? Hello, everyone. Correct, not correct?
I think 2 is correct.
Superior to is correct, right? Okay, I am, let us say then, okay, I have a 10%, a bit of doubt here. Okay, I would go through others also. I would try to eliminate them. Okay, 2 is correct. Okay, incorrect ones. Third, I prefer coffee than tea.
This is wrong. Coffee to
This is
tea.
100% wrong because then is used to
Compare.
Comparison.
but prefer use to. Am I correct? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. 3 and 4. Okay, I didn't need to check 3. Sorry. Okay. 3. Now 3 and 4 are gone. Let us cut this. 2, 5, 6. This is an exception to the rule. This is an exception to the rule. Is it 100% correct? I think so. I think so. This is correct. What do you think?
Yes,
What do you
I
think?
think it's correct.
Exception 2, we
Yes,
use
sir.
this daily. So fourth is gone. Now we are left with only 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6, we are not 100% sure with 2. Okay, now let us see. They are leaving to England soon. Leaving to England soon?
Or
For if you know this, you would be able to do this. Okay, otherwise you can go by the hunch a bit because you understand, you are 90% sure. So I would go with which sentence? 1, 3, 4, 6. Also remember to notice that this is incorrect. Always read whenever you read incorrect in the sentence, okay, and always write your answers in the scribbling paper, because many of you might have got this wrong when filling in the paper time. Have you got this type of questions wrong in CAT also? Let me know. Yes,
no, sir.
we get this wrong.
Mostly
Okay,
RCs.
we get this wrong. Somewhere, somewhat, sometimes we get this wrong. Okay, so scribble your answers. I would suggest that. Okay, so I hope each one of you have read this. If you have not, just read it again in 1 minute. Today we are doing 2021, right? 2022.
22.
22, right?
Done.
Done? Okay. So what are they talking about? They are talking about a time that we need to have. So 27.5 million is right about where we would expect, except is it absolute or we are talking about a generalistic time? Let me know. When do we use about where?
Like in range.
Yes, good. Okay, done. So we are done with this. Best concluded from the passage. The conclusion that we can find from this passage. Okay, this is an inference question. I hope you understand that. Right, let us try to find the inference. Geological disasters happen sporadically. If it happens sporadically, I hope you understand the meaning of sporadic. Let me know.
No.
Okay, if you do not know, do not do this question. Okay, sporadic means not having any pattern. Done. It has been given, the word has been given in NCERT also while talking about the spread, okay, in statistics. So this is absolutely wrong. Everyone who understands this, okay, all species go extinct once every 27.5 million. I mean, this is extreme, right? Okay, not all species, this is extreme. Pulse between geological events is constant. Is it constant? Gone. No. Right about where has been given. Okay, mass extinction and geological pulse are correlated. This is the only option that is remaining, hence this is the correct answer. And also remember, when the author writes something like this in continuity, then you need to assume that he is relating both of these in XAT. Understood, everyone?
Yes,
Let me know. We would use this concept in the next one also. Happy?
okay.
Happy with the explanation, everyone? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, this was an easy question. I hope you all have done this correctly. Let me know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, HP and Lavanya. Lavanya?
It has
Yes,
two
sir.
questions. I got one right, one
Okay.
wrong.
So they have given only one question here. Okay, no problem. We would see that. Now, was this question right for you? Let me know. Cannot be inferred has been given. Let me know. They have said that glancing and smiling, mistaken smile. We make mistakes in love. Yes, 100%. Gone, gone. Okay, different for the parties involved. Yes, something that seems like love, but you loved me. But you loved me. Seems like love means what? It was not love. Okay, we fall in love with strangers. Yes, we do. Here we are falling in love. The idea of love is different for both parties involved. Yes, we did not fall in love with others, but with ourselves. When did he talk about this? He didn't. Fifth one is the right one. Done. Hello,
Yes,
everyone. Shall we move ahead? Okay, this was an easy question. How many of you got this correct? Let me know. Raise your hands if you got it correct. What was the problem if you didn't get it correct? Can you share your mistakes with me?
no, mine was correct.
Anyone who got it wrong, Tulsi and Lavanya, you are the
So
only
mine was correct.
great.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
So this was an easy question. I would agree that. Okay, agree to that. Now this was a difficult question. Was it a difficult question? Yes. Did you get it correct?
No, so mine was wrong.
Okay, so what I used here is that I could see that 5 and 3 are mandatory pairs. Let me know. Because it is
So
talking
how?
about letter. And there is nothing in other sentences that we can talk about later other than a competent coder. Let me know. Did you do this? Could you see this? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Could you see this? Did you do this, Lavanya?
No, sir. I do not agree.
Okay, so always make mandatory pairs when we are dealing with the options. So only 2 options remain. Let me know.
Yes.
Now, first one is the first sentence. We have the first sentence, only 4 and 2, 2 and 4 are there. Right? Let us see this one. 14532. Now, but when it comes to companies that lack computer programmers, the government is far more sympathetic. Okay, done. Okay, let us see this. Fourth one, this is less inconsistent than it may seem. Okay, inconsistent. That means it is consistent than it may, more consistent than it may seem. Let me know. Makes sense? Hello? Right?
Yes, sir.
5 and 3 almost make sense. As a result, limited access of foreign talent is coming common gripe of tech founders and venture capitalists. Done. Limited access means that there is a shortage. Make sense? Let me know. Hello, everyone. Make sense? Okay. Now I would see this 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. As a result, limited access of foreign talent. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Why would limited access of foreign talent be there when the government is far more sympathetic? The question is that. Let me know. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is making sense. Anyone having any doubts? Let me know. बताओ जी. Anyone having any doubts till now? This is the way
No,
to
sir.
do this. Third one correct in least amount of time. Let me know. Okay, and if you see this, and demand for the letter has soared among British startups. As a result of this, limited access to foreign talent is a common gripe. That means a common problem. Then it makes 100% sense. Okay, while if you place, this is less inconsistent. This is more inconsistent than it may seem. Consistent than it may seem. Demand for letter has soared among. Why would I talk about consistency in the last sentence? Do I add a new idea in the last sentence anywhere in the rules of PJ?
No.
No. By both the logics, it is gone. Can you do this correct now? Got the procedure, everyone? I do not want you to get correct. I need you to learn the procedure. Shall we move ahead? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is something called conditional. It was repeated in 2019 also, a favorite of that. Okay. The conditionals are used as if I would teach you two conditions. If I were a bird, okay, here you can add anything. If I were Hitler, right, I would fly. You can add anything here, right? Done. If I had or had I been on time, right, you can add anything here. Been on time. Had I been on time, you can add anything here. Okay. I would have caught the train. Caught the train. I would have met Ram. Understood these two? Let me know. Now find these uses in this 6 sentences. Did you get this correct, everyone?
I did.
Okay. Did you know conditionals? Or by just use?
Oh, I used option elimination.
Okay. So conditionals you can learn from ChatGPT more, okay, with examples and all, right? Find those sentences that I have given you. Can you find those others, Tulsi and Lavanya? Let me know. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this correct, everyone?
Yes, sir, I got it correct.
Okay, Lavanya.
I haven't attempted.
Okay, you haven't attempted this. Okay, so do the conditional because it is repeated. It has been repeated in 2020, I think so, 2019 and 20, and this year. Okay, done. I had got this correct because I know conditionals. Now this one. This one was easier one. How many got you correct? Let me know. Hmm? So we had learned that, okay, driver, the writer of the passage would try to, I mean, when he mentions something like this, and when he moves from slab of cheese to aviation, he would be talking about these things, right? So unevenly distributed over its surface, right? If all the holes are not aligned, then it means that no thing can go past them. And he is saying that, okay, plane crashes also are like that. Done. I hope we
Yes.
all have understood it in a similar way. Now, accidents cannot be averted since a chain of events have to be averted to avert accidents. Was the author saying this?
No, sir.
Or was he saying that they can be averted easily? Gone.
It was
Any historically relevant event is an accident because it involves a chain of preceding events. I mean, was he talking about relevancy of something?
no.
I hope you got this, right? Everyone?
No, sir, mine was wrong.
Okay. So he was not talking about relevancy. He was talking about accident, yes. He was not talking about relevancy because giving a reason, it involves a change of preceding events. I mean, he was not talking about preceding events. He was talking about chain of events. Done.
Yes.
I can
Yeah.
say that, okay, if he talked about preceding events, they need to be in line. But relevancy, I mean, that is absolutely wrong. Any disaster is a culmination of many events happening in a particular order. What is wrong here? Hmm?
Particular order?
Did he talk about the order? No. He
Mm.
talked about what? alignment. Done.
Yes, sir.
Averting catastrophe is actually easier than it seems. Might be possible. A catastrophe can be averted if the preceding array of events meets resistance. Did I talk about resistance? Now, the only problem is that it is comparing. Did we say that something seems probable? Let me know.
No, sir.
We talked about resistance, right? That if the holes do not align, what is this? I mean, it is facing resistance here if these are two cheese blocks. Done? And it can be averted, 100% it can be averted. Done? So, fifth one is the correct one. I hope my reasoning makes sense.
Yes, sir.
That was an easy one. Now, this was something that I didn't do. Yes, 11th question. Okay. Now, can be best concluded from the passage. Why didn't I do this? Let me tell you something. Now, here there is a, I mean, many of you might have thought that, okay, fourth one is something really good. How many of you thought that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just by seeing, I would say, yay, I got the answer. Okay. Did you scrutinize the answer? I hope you understand the meaning of scrutinize.
Yes, sir.
What does it say? Labor enables us to survive. Okay. That is really good, right? Till here it is 100% correct. While work makes survival meaningful. I mean, did we talk about making survival meaningful? Huh? Work, on the other hand, gives collecting meaning to what we do. What are we doing? When we work to produce, I mean, it is giving a certain time or condition to this. Then would everything that is a job or laboring would become work? Let me know. Because they are saying while work makes survival meaningful. I mean, if we are doing something for survival, that makes it laboring. Let me know. Now, I got really tensed when I saw that small difference here. I thought that, okay, this is a difficult question. And none other option made sense. That is why I left this question. Got my reasoning to leave this question? Okay, the only thing that I wanted to teach you here is that whenever you are doing a question and the answer that seems probable, most probable, just check it once, word by word. Would you do that?
Yes.
Okay, let us move to the last question for today, since I have not done any other questions since I am busy in advertising activities. Okay, sorry for that. I had promised, I know, but okay. Right, we would do this tomorrow. The overwhelming preponderance of people. I hope many of you might have got stuck here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you understand the meaning of what this whole paragraph is saying? Let me know.
Not like fully sure that I've got the meaning.
You can get this fully sure, right? Okay. I mean, someone have been socially conditioned. It would talk about people, right? People have not freely decided what to believe.
मतलब they are making, मतलब they are being conditioned into believing, and they are not
Yes.
reflective thinkers.
Yes. Done. Got it? 100% Lavanya and HP. HP, what's your name?
Aman, sir.
Okay. Ramandeep.
No. Aman Singh.
Now, let us see this. Cannot be concluded. Now, several people, okay, would go, okay, I would go to concluded. Okay. Beliefs that appear normal and natural heighten their acceptance. Okay. Beliefs that appear normal and natural heighten their acceptance. Okay. Did he say that? have not freely decided what to believe, but rather have been socially conditioned into their beliefs. They are unreflective thinkers. When are we conditioned?
Mm,
Let us say, let us make this opposite by not adding not here. Beliefs that appear not normal and natural heighten their acceptance. Won't it heighten their acceptance? Then how would conditioning work? Let me know. Conditioning is, hello?
Yeah.
Conditioning is, hello?
Mm.
What is conditioning? I get used to. What is pervasive? So does it make sense? First one, yes, gone. Let me know if you have any question. Hello, everyone. If it is not normal and natural, would I accept it? No, because I won't be conditioned to it. Let
Okay,
me know.
got it. Got it.
Others, Lavanya and Tulsi?
So
Yes.
once again,
When do I get conditioned?
when I get used to receiving something,
Right?
yes.
Okay. Now let us move ahead, right? Okay. Now, if something is normal and natural, then I would get conditioned to it, or if something is not normal and natural, then I would get conditioned to it, or indoctrinated to it. Let me know.
If it's normal and natural.
Right? Hello,
Mm.
others?
Yes, sir.
Done. I compared this. I thought like this, and I got to this option that okay, first one is not the right answer. Okay.
Okay.
Because I would not get condition if it is not normal and natural. If it is unseen, I would not get conditioned to it. Then a normal thinker finds it difficult. A normal thinker, I have talked about this, finds it difficult to recognize what is happening to them. 100% right. If they were able to think, then they would be reflective thinkers. Done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the definition of a reflective thinker? Hello. HP and
But
Tulsi.
it says he finds it difficult to recognize what is happening to them. Um, well,
Let me know. What is the meaning of a reflective thinker?
Reflect on what they are thinking and what they are following.
Yes. So
Think
when do
about
we
their
reflect?
actions.
When do we reflect?
When something is not normal,
No. When something is not understandable with the naked eye. I hope you understand what I am trying to say here. Let me know. That is when we reflect, right? Let me know. For example, he
yes,
might
sir.
have watched Sherlock Holmes. He reflects on his cases.
Yes,
Then can't I say that it becomes difficult to recognize what is happening to him at the point when he's thinking normally? Because overwhelming people do what? They do not do reflective thinking. Can I eliminate two now?
yes,
Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
HP, I hope you are satisfied.
yes, sir.
Okay. A lot of people end up believing what they passionately oppose. I mean, they are passionately opposing and they are believing that. Isn't it absurd?
Yes.
According to this,
yes.
how would you be conditioned with something that you passionately oppose? This should be the answer. Things that we do automatically need to be reflected upon. Automatically, again the same thing as to. Then, okay, we are just doing things. We have been socially conditioned. We are doing it automatically and not reflecting on one thing. The inability to criticize one's beliefs leads to indoctrination. Would it not? Because by criticism, we do reflection.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Done. Last two options were easy to eliminate. The first two options were not, but we could have seen that, okay, third one is the right one because it is really absurd. So third one would be the right one. Done.
Okay. Yes.
Let me tell
Yes.
you. Let me tell you which ones I got wrong and which ones I got correct. Okay.
Yes.
I got this right. Okay. Let me count my marks till now. 1. Okay. I skipped this one, 11th one. I'm not reducing these marks. Okay. Accidents. Okay. Any disaster is the culmination of a particular order. Yeah, I got this correct. 2 marks. 2 marks. 1, 2. Okay. Next one, let us see. Okay, Sora won't have. I got this correct. Yes, 3 marks. Okay, let us see the next one. I got this correct. Yes, 4 marks. Okay, next one. I got this correct. Both the 5 marks. Okay. Next one. I got this correct. 6 marks. Okay, next one. I got this wrong. Okay. I ticked pulse between geological events is constant. Okay. I didn't see or notice carefully that about where has been given here. Right. I thought that I went with the process. Okay. Earlier it was a range. Now it has been constant. So always read the information or the language used carefully. Are you seeing that in most of the questions, they are using these idiomatic uses? I hope you understand what idiomatic uses I am referring to by idiomatic uses. Let me know. Everyone. Okay, so I would do minus 1 upon 4 here. Now, let us see the next one. Okay, this one I got correct. 2. Have you disposed your clothes of? No, this one I got wrong. Okay, because of hurry. Because I did not think about this sentence carefully. Okay, so minus 1.1 upon 4 for this. Done. I got this and this correct and this correct. These 3 I got correct. Okay, so how many marks have I got? 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 4, 9 minus half. That is 8.5. Did you find this difficult to do? If you follow my strategy, let me know. I'm not saying that you would get 8.5 marks. Okay, I am saying that, okay, you would get 6.5 marks. Is it difficult? Let me know. Hello,
No.
everyone. No, right? Lavanya?
Yes,
Tulsi?
sir.
Do you believe my words? Okay, be honest. Okay. Otherwise, I won't be able to
Yes, sir.
find better explanations for you. Right? I need your feedbacks. 6.5, we need just 4 marks, or let us say 5 marks to be sure about the cutoff. Anything above this is based on the difficulty level of the paper. Done? Hello, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I would say that you couldn't have done those 3 questions. Okay, 3 questions gone. Then I have got 8.5. You would have got 5.5 easily. I would say that. Okay, you will need 5 more questions. Done now? Okay, so my first goal is to clear the cutoff for you people, taking you with me. Okay, then I would move to what I would have done. I could have done more, or you could have done more. Sorry, I can do almost all the paper, right? But it is about you. So let's wrap it up for today. Okay, I hope you understood everything clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have not done all the questions. Okay, I'm sorry. And also, I thought that okay, it takes 1 hour to. I mean, it takes more time than DM to discuss this. Okay, and hence it has become around. It has taken us around 50 minutes to discuss these 12 questions. Okay, we will do the rest of the paper tomorrow. Okay, DM also. So